नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Inner Awakening Teamily, and everyone sitting with us through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, and through Nityananda TV. Today I came to Satsang mainly to speak about Kumbh Mela. This time in Kumbh Mela, first time we are going to have a unique program, Shuddhadvaitam. Please understand, Mahadeva, after delivering 28 agamas, 64 tantras, and the upagamas like Guru Gita, all these books, he concludes by saying, let this science which I reveal to the world be called as Shuddhadvaitam. So this word is given directly by Mahadeva. By this program, through this program, I'll give you the essence of what Mahadeva shares with the world through the 28 Agama and 64 Tantra and Upagamas. The essence Mahadeva gives in 4 words: Charya, Kiriya, Yoga, Jnana. Charya means lifestyle, like vegetarian food, applying vibhuti, hairstyle, Shiva Jata, Rudraksha, the lifestyle. Kriya means the spiritual processes, homas, prana pratishtha of deity, pujas, all the auspicious acts you need to do to achieve the spiritual experience or spiritual powers. Yoga means the whole science of yoga, starting from asana, pranayama, pratyahara, tarana, dhyana, samadhi, the science of yoga, and jnana, the science of enlightenment. All these 4 is the essence of the Shuddhadvaitam. I'll give you the essence of Shuddhadvaitam in 21 days. With 70 different initiations for 70 different powers. I don't know about all of you. I am excited. I am excited. And from me, the excitement has already gone to the first circle. They are all excited. The amount of arrangement going on, unimaginable. Scale arrangements. I am looking at 5,000 people attending 21 days Shuddhadvaita program. I am already seeing it happening. For all the Inner Awakening grads, it is my gift. You are my guest. Not only we will provide you best food as per Agama and accommodation, all the items that religious, spiritual items needed for initiation and to practice the initiations. Like you are going to have a Vishesha Diksha, The whole puja vessels, I think 18 or 19 vessels need to be provided to you to conduct the Atmalinga puja, Atma puja, Atmartha puja. You will be provided all that material. Like this, every initiation, whatever needed to be procured, all that will be my personal gift to you. You will be gifted, and I am personally inviting all of you, come experience Shuddhadvaitam in, listen carefully, as per the Agamas, in Ujjaini, Mahadeva revealed Agamas to Saptarishis. In Ujjaini, Mahadeva revealed, read Shiva Purana, you will see. That is why in Ujjaini, Mahadeva is called, addressed as Dakshinamurti. Ujjaini was Dasisi's place, Dasisi's ashram. And that is where Mahadeva revealed Agamas to Saptarishis. See, in Kailasa he revealed for Devi. In Ujjaini he revealed for Saptarishis. Understand? The place where Mahadeva revealed Agamas, it will be revealed once more again to all of us. I am personally inviting, come and receive the Agamas. Essence of Agamas, Shuddhadvaitam. It's my personal invitation. So essence of whatever I said now, today's satsang is, kidnap yourself by yourself from all your negative thought current and drop yourself in the Nityananda Peetham camp in Ujjaini. In Ujjaini. Please go ahead and register yourself before 29th of February. If you register yourself RSVP before 29th, automatically it is confirmed. Please go ahead and book your tickets and make the arrangements. All IA grads, before 29th of February, if you register, you can take it as a confirmation, go ahead. After 29th, you may have to pay and enroll, because by 29th we will have to make decision to make the infrastructure, which we already started. Anything addition, we will have to get it extra separately. So before 29th, if you confirm, we will be able to provide everything free of cost, and I am happy to host you all as my personal guest. Please come, experience, enjoy, radiate Shuddhadvaitam. And if you register before 29th, after receiving confirmation, please do not cancel, because the infrastructure we create for you should not go waste. It's lot of your money. It is actually devotees' money is being spent to create the infrastructure. So let it not go waste. That's my request. See, we have enough, you guys have provided me enough to share for the spiritual needs, but we don't have a single penny to waste. That's what I always tell. We have enough to share with the whole world, but we don't have a single penny to waste. I also wanted to prepare all of you for the Shuddhadvaitam program. First time I am going to give some spiritual practices which you will practice, prepare yourself and come for the program, so that straight away I can transmit the powers. You are ready to receive. In next few days, I'll guide you into some of the processes and practices to prepare you into Shuddhadvaitam, radiating inner space and powers of Mahadeva. Radiating the space and powers of Mahadeva. Get ready for one of the greatest blast, spiritual blast. Shuddhadvaitam. Don't give any reason. Just be ferocious with yourself. Kidnap yourself by yourself. And drop yourself straight in the Nityananda Peetham camp in Ujjaini. Unless you are kidnapped by devil, demon, Satan, Maya, all put together. Don't miss this. Shuddhadvaitam is the best thing you can do to yourself. Understand? Other than the few departments which cannot be closed, I am emptying the whole ashram and taking. Then understand the importance of the whole Shuddhadvaitam program. Anybody who wants to volunteer preparation for Shuddhadvaitam program process, you are welcome to come to Bangalore and start the preparation work here. You can come any time from today and stay till the Shuddhadvaitam program. Any number of people welcome. You can come and start being part, because we need to move large amount of things, almost like 50 truck load, Ujjaini, and the preparations have already started. We need lot of hands to make the Shuddhadvaitam program process successful. The spiritual process I will take care, but providing all the basic needs like a food and stay and all the other needs, for that we need a lot of volunteer hands. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. The excitement need to be experienced. That's it. Plan to kidnap yourself by yourself to Ujjaini to live Shuddhadvaitam. My blessings. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.